So here's Polestar app, which you can just install it and manage your car with help of this app. So you can control your car, you can manage your car, yeah, all the features get updates, always supported, and creating an account super easy. Just go to the app, enter your email and password, and you are in super easy. You don't need some like advanced verification codes and things like that. So yeah, here you have it. Then the next step is basically you need to start the pairing process. So again, super easy to pair it up. You just enter the car, select your profile in the car first. So if you're the owner, create the first profile to become admin. If you want to add more users, select whether they should be admin or guest before pairing the devices. Visit digital key and remote functions, click pair phone. All keys might be found. So then start the scanning and pairing process. So obviously you should have app installed on your phone. You should have Bluetooth turned on your phone. And then when the code's shown in the center display an app match, tap yes in the app. If the codes do not match, tap no. Select the correct number from the list. So this is kind of, yeah, a bit different, kind of similar process when you add new device to Google or sign in with your Google account or new device. You see this like different numbers, and then you just need to confirm it, and that's it. So then pairing complete. That's at least how you do it for Polestar second, and then you can also just use pair it with QR in Polestar 4. So just as they're changing all the time. And then basically cars, you will see the pairing process. You can add a new car. Then there is you can explore it. There are some news, the community, spotlight, digital key, set your charge limit in Polestar app. So a lot of updates, a lot of new features coming to this app is in active development. So quite cool. Then you can see a support chat right in the app where you can just chat and call the support. And then, yeah, you have your inbox, you have your orders, shop. So you can just shop right from the app. You can also just shop some additional things. And yeah, some things, some bags, if you're a fan of Polestar, all of the things you can just get from this. Yeah. And then that's basically the idea in here. And yeah, that's the app. Kind of really nice. Obviously, you need to pair it up with the car, but that's the idea how you get started.